Gina with WTI, and I got this heated jacket from Gozvrpu for my husband. He really loves this jacket because he works outside and his busy season is during the cold and rainy, icy and snowy season. He is a chimney sweep, so he spends a lot of time on roofs in the wind and rain and all the elements, and having this jacket has made him so much more comfortable. My husband loves that this has 7 different heating areas, and that includes one around the neck, which is so nice when you've got cold rain dripping down your neck. However, there is a detachable hood, which of course helps keep the rain away as well. My husband is 6 foot, 200 pounds, and he has a 42-inch chest, so we went ahead and got him the size large. So it is a little big on him, but we wanted it that way because he likes to wear sweaters or sweatshirts underneath the coat, and that gives him the ability to do that and not feel squished. This comes with 2 power banks, which is really nice. When you first turn it on and run it on high, you're gonna see the power level on the battery drop pretty quickly down to about 65%, but then it levels off for a few hours at that point. It just takes extra energy for it to get heated up to begin with. A full day of work for my husband, he will go through both of the power banks, and that's running it on high for a continuous 8 hours. My husband and I both love this jacket. It helps keep him drier and warmer while he's at work, and that just makes us both super happy, and that's our point of view.